Why does Catholics baptize infant? Have you ever heard someone say, why do Catholics baptize babies when they cannot yet believe? Is infant baptism biblical, or is it just a Catholic tradition invented by the Church? Today, we will discuss this. Why do Catholics baptize infants? What is baptism according to the Bible? Baptism is not just a symbol. According to the scripture, baptism washes away sin, make us children of God, unites us to Christ, and it is necessary for salvation. Jesus himself said, unless one is born of water and spirit, he cannot enter the kingdom of heaven. John chapter 3, verse 5. Notice, Jesus did not say, unless one is old enough or unless one understands. Very clear, my dear sisters and brothers. Jesus said, unless one is born of water and baptized, or baptism is the very requirement. Jesus never said that unless one is old enough or unless one understands. Why infants need baptism? Okay? The Bible teaches that all humans are born with original sin. You can read that in Romans chapter 5 verse 12. Through one man, sin entered the world. In Psalm chapter 51 verse 5 also stated that we have sinned even in the mind and conception of our mother. Now, babies may not have personal sins, but they inherited original sin. And baptism is the means of God in putting it together. If baptism is a gift of grace, why it will deny to the infants? Again, if baptism is a gift of grace, why deny it to the infants? Why? Take note of this, that household baptisms in the Bible, particularly in the New Testament, we can read that the entire households were baptized. First, Lydia and her household. We can read that in Acts chapter 16, verse 15. Second, the jailer and his household in Acts 16, 30. The third, the household of Stephanas, the letter of St. Paul to Corinthians, 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 16. The Bible never says except the children. If the Jewish culture household included the children and infants, okay? Because very clear, never been stated in the Bible that the infant or the children are exempted to receive the sacrament of baptism. Never in the Bible that stated that. Faith of the parents in the church is also needed. Okay, some ask, how can baby have faith? The Catholic answer, the faith of the parents in the church speaks for the child, in behalf of the child, of course, in behalf of the infant that received the sacrament of baptism. Just as the baby received the name without choosing it. Okay, remember, involving to register the infants. So who did that? Okay, so very clear that the parents did it in the same manner, receiving the sacrament of baptism. Even the infant cannot have that faith that has of the adults, but then they can receive it through the faith of their parents. The baby receives citizenship without understanding it, and so also the baby receives God's grace through baptism. Later, the child will personally confirms this faith in confirmation. Okay? So that's why the sacrament of baptism is part of the sacrament of initiation. First, the baptism, and then secondly, the sacrament of confirmation in order to have a fulfillment of the sacrament of baptism. Okay? If Jesus welcomed children, why would the church prevent them from receiving his grace? Okay, in the practice of the early church, infant baptism was practiced from the earliest century. Okay, Saint Irenaeus, 2nd century. That is very near to the life of the apostles. Origen in the 3rd century. Saint Augustine in the 4th century. Infant baptism is not a late invention. It is apostolic tradition. So very clear, my dear sisters and brothers, that this infant baptism, okay, is to be received, is to be accepted. Catholics baptize infants because, number one, baptism saves. Number 2, babies needs God's grace. Number 3, scripture supports it. And number 4, the early church practiced it. And number 5, Jesus welcomes children. Okay? So infant baptism is not about human understanding. It is about God's mercy. If you found this explanation helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and share to help spread the truth. And comment below. Do you have any questions about Catholic teachings?